Here we go. Into the wash. No need to touch the wheel because it's got you. Let's see what happens. Well, new wash. New wash. New everything. Let's see how it is. We can't rate it yet because we gotta get this coating of soap. Wow. Let's back it up. Why is there rumble? Wait a minute. I feel like there's something on the car. Oh, there is. Look at that, more soap.
Oh, they put a lot of soap.
Yeah, then look.
Yeah, I'm watching.
Yeah, that's a rare feature where that one doesn't work. Oh my god. These ones are aggressive.
Front.
Oh, here it comes.
Wow.
Very cool.
Oh, that's a lot of water, a lot of wash.
Yeah, now this is a real good wash. And then look, you see how most washes, the top brush just quits at the middle? But look, look behind. You see it actually comes back down. That's cool. And then here we go. Here comes the drying part.
Look.
Oh, the dryers?
Yeah.
Look at that. Well, new wash. That must be a really good one.